Most Germans take public transportation to live more sustainably, so let's hop on the U-Bahn that brings us to the center of Berlin. In the heart of the dense district of Neukölln, there's a special place which is reawakening the culture of urban gardening in Berlin.
We are here at Prinzessinnengarten. It's a community garden in the middle of Berlin, and here we invite people to garden with us. There are a lot of empty spaces at cemeteries because the culture of funerals and also the numbers of funerals have changed a lot in the last 30 years. And we are here now to try how to integrate community activities like an urban garden on the cemetery. Bees are very important for the food production because while they are looking for food, like pollen and nectar from flowers and from plants, they also pollinate these plants. And some vegetables, like for example tomatoes or cucumbers, they also have flowers and they need to be pollinated for vegetable to grow at all.
One exciting aspect of the garden is the biodiversity it brings to the city of Berlin.
One of the main reasons for the loss of biodiversity is actually agriculture as it's done now, just like huge fields with the same plant and the use of pesticides. And this is all measures nobody takes in the cities. As an example, there's lots and lots of species that do exist in Berlin which are pretty endangered in the countryside. On the other hand, the use of land by the growing of cities is of course a problem for biodiversity if more and more land ends under concrete. Peppers are a super nice example for biodiversity, agrobiodiversity in this case. Up to now, roughly 90% of the vegetable varieties that once existed are already extinct. And we try to give an overview over different types of peppers and chilies here. Urban gardening was developed out of needs. So not only in the global south, but also Detroit as an example. They had severe economic problems and people started to grow their vegetables on empty lots just because they needed food. And I think the impact that urban gardening in Western City has is more about the social and pedagogic aspect. So we can of course not feed the city with the urban gardens that we have now, but maybe it contributes and we can try to create an awareness for topics of sustainable food systems.